Hi, my name is Jose Alejandro Barreto. I'm the CEO of Glendale, and I'm here to answer one of our more common questions regarding swords, and that is, what size sword should I get? So at Glendale, we offer many swords for all of the different services, and for each of these, we have three main sizes: the 30, the 32-inch, the 30-inch, and the 28-inch sword. So the to answer the basic question is the height of the wearer is what determines the size of the sword. In this case, we're going to use the Air Force sword. And so what I'm going to show you is the main and subtle differences. So let me get the 28-inch sword. This sword is built primarily for anybody who is 5 feet 6 inches to 5 feet 7 inches. If you are a little bit smaller than 5 feet 6 inches, you can still use the 28-inch sword. Nevertheless, if for whatever reason you are significantly smaller than 5 feet 6 inches, we can also make your custom sword in Germany. Same holds true with the 32-inch sword. This is primarily made for anybody who is 6 feet to 6 feet 3 inches. If you are taller than this, we can have a custom-made sword for you. It will take a little bit of time for us to get them manufactured as they are made in Germany. The 30-inch sword will be for anybody who is between 5 feet 8 inches to 5 feet 11 inches. Where can you get this information? You can get this information in our catalog on the sword page, which will be a little table right here, or you can find it online at www.glendale.com. One thing that I want to mention is the biggest change on the sword will be the scabbard and also the length of the actual blade. Make sure I don't mix those up because that will be bad, and I'm going to show you how. This, with the exception of the 32-inch, are all of our display swords. So I do apologize if they're a little bit beaten down, but I'm going to explain just a brief item. So as you can see, the size of the blade is what makes the difference. The size of the handle remains the same. If for whatever reason you have a very big hand or this does not feel comfortable and you need it either larger or smaller, we can customize that for you here at Glendale Parade Store. It will require a bit of time, but we have done this before. A big plug is to get your swords from WKC, and I'll explain why. WKC, which is the manufacturer, one of the oldest manufacturers of swords in the world, and they manufacture their swords in Germany, has a very high quality sword. But more than that, their swords will last forever. They also carry the emblems of our nation's armed forces and of our nation's symbolisms. So in this case, the Air Force emblem is very well meticulously made. In many other circumstances, you will not have this high quality item. For some of our blades, you will notice that there is a G for Glendale. That is because we have partnered so much with our main manufacturer that we have embedded our brand in it. It's also a way to differentiate some of those swords that have not been sold by Glendale that are not WKC, so we can guarantee that our work will last for a very long time. If you run into any issues, please let us know. Now, I'm going to talk about one other item. What happens if you have three different sword sizes? It really doesn't matter, with one exception. You cannot mix the scabbards. This actually happened to us, and I'm going to use the 30-inch scabbard with the 32-inch sword. You're going to notice something that did happen to us, and that is why these are display scabbards. If you can see at the very end, you will notice that it is broken right there. That is the main reason why it is extremely important that if the sword does not fit the scabbard, do not try to make it fit. Now, I'm going to show you, and this is only true for the Air Force and the West Point sword. You could fit a smaller sword in a bigger scabbard without having any issue. The only problem you're going to run to is when you try to fit a bigger sword into a smaller scabbard. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Thank you so much for trusting us with the purchase of your sword, and we hope that you like it.